Hi guys, welcome to Veurinks RV Center, where we've been family owned and operated for over 64 years. My name is Parker, and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough video of the Sportsmen LE 231 BHLE from KZ RV. If you have any questions about the trailer throughout the video, please feel free to give me a call. My number will be at the bottom of the screen throughout the video. If you have any questions about your trade, monthly payments, just kind of how the whole process works and some benefits that we give to you for being a Veurinks customer, give me a call as well. With that said, let's get on with the show. This 231 BHLE floor plan is a great family trailer that has a bunk house layout, sleeps 8 to 10 people, only weighs 4,950 pounds, so it's easily towed by some of your mid-size SUVs and your half-ton trucks. It features a lot of great amenities that's going to make your life a lot easier when you're emptying tanks, when you're just setting up for camp, and when you're enjoying your time as well. We'll get to some of those things later. Right now, let's take a look at the back of the trailer. Here in the back of the trailer, you're going to find your large double over double bunks. Now, a few things I love about these is you have a window for each bunk, so both the kids can have some ventilation coming in. It gives you some more natural light as well. You have an LED light for both bunks as well, so they can have their individual reading lights and turn them off. Nice thing about the Sportsman 231 is that you're going to have a ton of storage. Even back here, they give you a big storage underneath. Easy to get to, easy to access. You do have a plug here as well for all their electronics. You're also going to find the bathroom back here. Now, this 231 is one of the best value pack trailers out there for a lot of the small things. You're going to have a big spacious bathroom back here. You have a tub surround, which in this class is hard to find sometimes. And then you're going to have a nice size sink there with a plug, storage above and below as well. Circling back out here to the kitchen, you're going to find a new 10 cubic foot fridge. Now, this is going to give you plenty of space to bring all the goods that you need with you for your trip. You have your fridge on bottom and your freezer up top. 10 cubic foot. That is typically you're going to find 6 cubic foots in these trailers, so 10 cubic foot is absolutely huge. You do have a nice little pantry here for all the food you need to bring along with you, and then a location for the TV as well for easy viewing. Now, coming over here, you're going to find the dinette. You do have a slide out on this, really open up the floor plan, giving a lot of room to move around. Nice size dinette table here. You'll see in the kitchen once we pan over there as well, KZ has switched to all one-piece seamless countertops, including your dinette table, so you don't have to worry about that T-mold. It's going to be a lot more resistant, and it's going to hold up a lot better for you over time, and you do have a nice large window there as well. Panning towards the front of the trailer, you're going to find your master bed with full-length wardrobes on both sides for mom and dad, a shelf above, and then a LED light there as well. Every light on the interior of these Sportsmen are going to be LEDs, so it's going to be brighter, flash longer, not nearly as hot as well. We can have these lights on all day, and they're not going to be hot, so it's not going to cook the inside of the trailer too much for you too. Now, one thing I love about KZ storage, again, under the bed, is that you're going to have uninterrupted space, but you're going to have gas struts to hold it up, so no, you don't have to hold it up yourself. And they added 4 cubbies, 2 on each side. Again, just trying to maximize your storage space, but also give you spots for some things that you didn't have before necessarily. One thing I did forget to point out is that you do have windows on both sides of the bedroom as well. Again, for some nice cross ventilation and just more natural light too. Panning over to the kitchen area here, you're going to have, again, your one-piece seamless countertops here. Going to hold up a lot better over time. They look a lot nicer as well. You're going to have an undermount deep double bowl sink here, and a high-rise kind of faucet too. Plenty of room to clean all those pots and pans that you need. You're going to find your 3-burner cooktop there as well, with your microwave above. Plenty of room to pop those bags of popcorn and anything else you're going to be heating up in there. And then storage above and below as well. And below here, you're going to find 2 drawers, some storage here, and then even more storage without having that oven. Really just maximizing your storage space that you have on the interior. On the exterior of the trailer, I want to start up front here. You do have a power tongue jack with this 231. You have dual 20-pound propane tanks with the cover as well. As we're panning around to the front here, you're going to find that you're going to have a solar solar prep here for if you'd like to put a solar panel on, if you're doing some boondocking or some rustic camping. That'll help trickle charge your battery, so during the day if you want to charge that battery up, so at night you have power. Huge pass-through storage here with an LED light strip. Now, one thing I want to show you on the inside of this is that you have a battery disconnect switch. Now, that's going to be really convenient for when you're storing in the winter, or if there's just a time you're not using it in the summer and you put it away. Instead of having to manually disconnect your battery or essentially let the battery just die, it's in the flip of a switch. Power's cut off to the battery. A lot more convenient for you. New feature for the KZ, for the 231s as well, is magnets on the baggage doors. No more having to deal with those plastic clips. It's going to be nice, strong. You just push it up and it's latched for you. One other thing I want to point out about the baggage doors is that KZ does the same size baggage door on each side of the trailer. A lot of manufacturers out there, you're going to see them do a big door here and a small door on the other side. So if some of your bigger items get pushed back over there, it might be inconvenient to get it back over here and get them out. Same size door on both sides. Again, just makes your life a lot easier with planning where to store and put things. Now to one of my favorite parts of the trailer is going to be the patio space. You're going to have a huge awning here that's going to cover essentially the entire trailer, including your outside kitchen down there. New for KZ this year is a smart arm awning from Lippert Components. Now, what's awesome about this is you saw that you have your control for the awning on the inside. Well, now you have them outside as well. Basically, what the smart arm is going to be is controls in and out on the exterior here, so you don't have to go inside anymore. And you have 3 different options for your awning light. You can dim your lights, you can have a low, medium, and high, or you can essentially turn them off here. But you can put your awning in and out just from the exterior here. Now, another cool feature that is available, does not come standard, but available with the smart arm awnings, is a wind sensor. It is a separate attachment that you can purchase in our parts store that is actually going to have a wind sensor on it for low, medium, and high. So that way, if the wind kicks in and you're not there to put your awning in, or you just don't have to worry about it, you can get that as well. For more information on that, please give me a call. I'll be more than happy to go over all that with you. Now, another part of this awning is that it's going to be an adjustable pitch awning. So what that means is, let's say a storm's rolling in out of nowhere, happens all the time in Michigan, and it starts raining pretty heavily. You can adjust your awning, or if you have a glare from the sun too, you can adjust your awning with a simple pull of the arm here, and you can do that on either side. So basically, you know, what that's doing is giving you a peace of mind that there's not going to be water building up on the awning and ruining your awning. It'll push it off all to the side here, and it's as easy as pushing it back when you're done, and you're good to go. You do not have to adjust it back when you go to put the awning in either. If you forget, it will adjust itself as it's coming in, but a nice, easy, convenient feature there. Moving down the trailer, you're going to find a triple step entry. A lot of manufacturers are going to give you 2 steps, giving you 3. It's just going to make it more easier for getting in and out, carrying stuff in and out, and for getting the kids in and out as well. So, and a large assist grab handle too. Now, one cool thing with the door here is you're going to notice that you don't have a plastic little clip anymore. This is actually what they call a friction hinge door. So it really helps with the wind and not having to worry about it, you know, hitting you in the back when you're going in. If it's really windy out, it works really, really well. So that's another nice, convenient feature. Outside speakers with 2 lights in them as well, giving them just a nice, cool look. But at the same time, if you don't want to have your awning lights on, those will give you a little bit of light. Moving down the trailer, our outside kitchen. Now, a couple things I love about this outside kitchen is that you have storage with it. You kind of have everything. You got your fridge, your 2-burner cooktop, your little shelf back here for some storage, and then a plumbed sink. A lot of manufacturers, you see them cut corners where it's just a tray. It's not actually plumbed, so you gotta, you know, pull it out and dump it. This is a plumbed sink for you. So this will go right into your gray tank. Don't have to worry about dumping it. You can go along and enjoy your time outside and not have to worry about that. But your awning covers your outside kitchen. That is one thing that I absolutely love that KZ does with this trailer. Moving towards the back here, you have a 6-gallon gas and electric water heater. These 231 Sportsmen LEs are going to be one of the best value pack trailers on the market today. And I have a few other things I'm going to show you here in a minute, but gas electric water heater is not something that you will find in this class of trailer. Spare tire mounted on the back here. You are backup camera prepped as well for a Furrion backup camera system. For more information on that, give me a call. We have them available in our camp store as well. Would love to talk to you more about that. And you do have a hollowed out bumper here if you want to store your sewer hose, and then plenty of room for a bike rack and such like that if you like to put that on. Now, moving towards the other side of the camper here, new for the Sportsmen this year is going to be a black tank flush. If you're not familiar with the black tank flush, give me a call. I'd love to discuss that more with you. Basically, this is going to make your life a lot easier and save you a trip of going back inside when you go to empty out your black tank. But for more information on that, give me a call. I'd love to talk more about that. You do have your detachable power cord here too. This is a 30 amp coach. Easy enough is detaching it, putting it in your passive storage, and you're good to go. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my walkthrough video of the Sportsmen 231BHLE from KZ RV. Like I said, this is one of the best value pack trailers on the market today. Everything from the 10 cubic foot fridge to the black tank flush outside, to the outside kitchen, the smart arm awning, everything we kind of went over. If you have questions, please feel free to give me a call at any time. If you have questions about what your trade might be worth, financing options, and just the whole purchase process, give me a call. If you found this video helpful, please go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and actually like the video. Leave us a comment as well. Let us know how we did, or if there's some other things that you'd like to see too. Like I said, I'm sorry. My name is Parker. Give me a call. Thanks, guys.